Students, chapter number 5, organ systems. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed what is the body made up of, and organ systems we have discussed skeletal system. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss next system, muscular system. Let's start student. Okay, so the muscular system includes all muscles in our body. And you know what is the function of the muscular system? Yes student, in movement. With the help of the muscular system you can move your body parts, and it works together with the skeletal system. And you know student, there are about 600 muscles in your body. So you can underline student, the muscular system includes all the muscles in our body. It works together with the skeletal system to allow movement of the different parts of our body. There are student 600 muscles in your body. Okay, and you know student, which is the strongest muscle in your body? Yes student, cardiac muscles. The strongest muscle in our body is our heart. And you know which muscle is found in our heart? Yes student, cardiac muscle. So you will study this cardiac muscle in next classes also, in higher classes also, 4th or 5th classes also. So you know muscles found every parts of the body, whether it is neck, arm, stomach, leg. So student, the muscles are found every part in our body, and the strongest muscles in your body is your heart. And which muscles is found in your heart student? Cardiac muscles. Okay, many muscles on your face are not attached to your bones but to each other. If we talk about the muscles, face muscles are not attached to your bones but to each other. They attach each other. And you have more than 100 facial muscles. How many facial muscles do you have student? 100 facial muscles. So that help us blink. You can blink, you can talk, you can eat, you can smile also, you can perform any expression also with the help of the muscular system, because there are more than 100 facial muscles are present in your face. You can blink, you can talk, you can eat, you can smile, you can do anything, you can do any expression, any happy expression, any sad expression with the help of the facial muscles. Okay students, now we will discuss the next system is digestive system. You can see there is a diagram of the digestive system. You can see this is the digestive system. From the mouth and to the anus makes the digestive system. There are the many organs, many internal organs involved in the digestive system. Okay, let's start student. What will happen when you take a bite of a sandwich and chew and then swallow it? Does it give you energy instantly? When you eat something, when you eat a bite of a sandwich or any other food and chew it and swallow it, does it give energy instantly? एकदम से energy? No. So what will happen student, in digestive system there is a journey of the sandwich, or there is a food, how a food is digested in your body. Okay, so first of all, when you eat food, that is further broken down into the smaller pieces to be digested. When you eat the food, you chew your teeth, and then this food is broken down into the smaller pieces to be digested, and the body system that digests the food is called digestive system. So you can underline, when the body system, there are in the digestive system, there are the other organs, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. They help in the digest the food. Okay, so and you can underline this point, the food that we eat is further broken into smaller pieces to be digested, and the body system that digests the food is called the digestive system. What is the digestive system? Body system that digests the food is called digestive system. Now student, we will discuss the journey of a sandwich. When you eat the sandwich, how can it digest in your body? Which organs help in the digest a sandwich? So student, when you take a bite of a sandwich, what will happen? It mix with the saliva. Now there is a word, student, saliva. What is the saliva? You know what is the saliva? There is a word saliva. When you student see your favorite fruit like mango, ice cream, you feel some watery substances in your mouth or not? Yes. So this watery substance is a saliva, and this saliva is secrete in your mouth. So when you take a bite of the sandwich, it mix with the saliva. Okay. And what is the function of your teeth? Yes student, your teeth grind it into a meshy pulp. When you chew your sandwich or any other food, so your teeth grind it into a meshy pulp. And what is the function of the tongue? Yes student, the tongue send the pulp, this meshy pulp of the sandwich, down the food pipe. Okay. Now what will happen? Now this meshy pulp of the sandwich enters into the stomach, where are the digestive juice are released to churn the food and break into the smaller pieces. Okay, I will show you this diagram also. And digestion is start from the mouth, student. You know, there is a first, when you eat the food, bite of the sandwich, with the help of the teeth you chew the food, and the saliva secrete your mouth and mix with the food, and this food is broken down into the pulp, and then tongue is, there is a tongue also in the mouth, is, yes student, the tongue send this pulp down to the, yes student, food pipe. You can see this. So there are the in digestive system, mouth, teeth also, tongue also in your mouth, na? And then food pipe, and from the food pipe food enters into the stomach. There is a digestive juice also secrete into your stomach, and you know what is the shape of the stomach. You can see this. This is the tongue. This is the stomach, J shaped. This is the J shape. You can see there is a digestive juice also secrete in your stomach. And what is the function of the digestive juice, student? Release digestive juice release, so to churn the food and then broken down into very smaller pieces, you know. And what is the meaning of the churn, student? There is a churn, and we are discussing the digestive juice are secreting in the stomach, so the digestive juices are released to churn. So it means the digestive juice mix with the food and then break into a smaller pieces. And now what will happen? Now sandwich enters into the smaller intestine. So we are we have discussed up to stomach. When first of all you eat the food, and then from the mouth food enter into the food pipe, and then from the food pipe food into the stomach. So student, you read this only. First you will read this, muscular system, how many muscles and what is the function of the muscular system. Then after you start the digestive system up to stomach. read carefully. Then I will discuss again this digestive system in next video. Okay students, take care. Bye.